Hello everyone, I am Dr. Tanvi Shah. I am an eye surgeon and I am here to give you some health tips. Do you know that India is the diabetic capital of the world? And diabetes is the leading cause of heart diseases in India. It also causes retinopathy. It is a serious eye disease which, if left untreated, can cause one blind. It also causes kidney diseases. Hence, I am going to give you few tips on how to prevent diabetes mellitus. First of all, your diet. Have a balanced and healthy diet, meaning have more of fiber and proteins in your diet. High fiber foods are fruits, avocado, broccoli, carrots, beets, sprouts, lentils, split peas, oats, quinoa, almonds, sweet potatoes, dark chocolates, etc. Cut on sugars and carbohydrates. Study analysis has proved that people with intake of fast digesting carbohydrates are 40% more likely to develop diabetes. Reduce the usage of fats and saturated fats. Reduce all whites in diet like sugar, salt, oil, ghee, etc. Cook fresh foods and limit takeaway and processed foods. Avoid large portions of foods at a time. Do not watch television while eating food as you tend to eat more. If you are liking my video, subscribe to my channel to get notifications. Next, check your risk for diabetes. Diabetes can be partly genetic. If there is a family history of diabetes, you have high chances of getting it. Also, if a female had diabetes during her pregnancy, her chances of getting diabetes in later life are much more. Also, Asians, Africans are at higher risk for developing diabetes. Next, manage your weight. High body fat, particularly around the abdomen, causes body's resistance to insulin and hence high chances of getting type 2 diabetes. Exercise regularly. Moderate physical activity will manage your weight. It will reduce blood glucose levels and improve blood pressure and cholesterol. We recommend 150 minutes of exercises every week. So it comes to around 30 minutes for 5 days a week, which is quite achievable. Choose physical exercises that you enjoy and you can engage in regularly and feel you can stick with for a long term. Limit your alcohol usage because heavy alcohol doses increases your weight, which in turn raises your blood pressure and triglycerides, that is fats. Quit smoking. Now smokers have twofold higher chances of getting diabetes. It also causes mouth cancer, lung cancer and heart diseases. Next is keep your blood pressure under control by regular exercise, balanced diet, healthy weight, proper treatment by doctor can control your blood pressure and in turn it will control your diabetes too. Regular checkups. Do your blood sugars, blood pressure, cholesterol checkup at regular intervals to keep it under control as advised by your doctor. Next, drink water as your primary beverage because it won't raise your blood sugar levels. More water can help your body eliminate that extra glucose through urine. Avoid preservatives, added sugars, juices, soda, etc. Optimize your vitamin D levels. Vitamin D improves the body's sensitivity to insulin and hence lack of it will increase the chances of getting diabetes. Drink coffee or tea. It has antioxidants that protects against diabetes. Green tea is also good for health. People having psychiatric problems like depression tend to binge eat and in turn develop diabetes. So friends, take a note of all these important pointers that are high risk for getting diabetes and help your family and friends to act accordingly. If you are liking my videos, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell icon. See you next week. Bye-bye.